Dear students, in this video we are discussing concept of fractions and decimals. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 2 by 9 are some examples of fraction. A fraction is, in fact, can be expressed as A by B, where both A and B are real numbers and B can be positive, A can be positive, both A and B can be negative, something like that. A by B is a fraction. A by B is a fraction. If A is multiplied by M and B is also multiplied by M, A is multiplied by M and B is also multiplied by M, then whole of this will become equivalent fraction to the given fraction. Equivalent fraction. For example, let us take an example now. 2 by 3 is a fraction. Let us multiply this by some number. M means we can take any number. Let us take it as 2 divided by M, that is 2. That is equal to 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. That is, when simplified, it again gives 2 by 3 only. 2 2s are 2 3s are cancelled. That becomes 2 by 3. Therefore, 2 by 3 and 4 by 6, both of these two are called equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Similarly, when we say a fraction A by B is divided by same number A by M and divided by B by M, again this is called as an equivalent fraction, but you are dividing it. Therefore, either by dividing or by multiplying both of these two terms by a same number, we get equivalent fractions. And a fraction can be converted into a decimal expression. Suppose we have 1 by 2 as our fraction. Convert this into a decimal one. How we have to do is multiply this by, it is a single digit here, therefore multiply it by double digit least number, that is 10 by 10. That is equal to 2 1s are 2 5s are cancel, 5 divided by 10. 5 divided by 10 is nothing but 1 0 is there. Therefore, point will come after one number, that is 0.5. But it cannot be written 0.5 just like this. Therefore, 0 has to be there and it should be read as 0.5. Never try to read any number something like this 0.7. When you say it is 0.7, yes, reading 0.7 is perfect, but writing it, there should be 0 before you write any point. Supposing you have 1.3 to be written, then there is no problem at all. You need not have to use 0 here. But when you are writing only 0.5, you must write 0. So this is how the fractions and decimals chapter will be discussed in detail on based on the simple concept. In fact, we can also take an example 0.315. This is a decimal expression. A decimal expression can also be converted into fraction. That is, this is equal to, you just without this decimal count this, read this number is read as 315 divided by decimal point is positioned at which place, let us see. Unit 10, 100 and 1000. Therefore, 315 divided by 1000. This on simplification becomes 5 6 and 1 remain, 5 3 15 divided by 5 2 and 00 remain. That is 63 by 200 becomes fraction. Whereas 63 by 200 cannot be further simplified and hence this becomes the standard form of a fraction. This is how we'll be discussing the chapter of fractions and decimals. Thanks you very much. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your support.